Welcome to MiniLAND.CA, the Center for Handcrafted Miniatures. Here at MiniLAND, we are very proud of our touchless operation lights. These lights work with sensor technology and lighting wand. No wiring, no switches, no buttons, no plugs. Inside each light comes with an easily replaceable battery, model CR1632. Simply unscrew the base of the lamp to change it out. Now you don't have to remove the lamps from the wall to turn the light on or off. Simply take your lighting wand and come along to our enchanted fairyland and experience the magic your touchless wand creates. Bring the wand to the base of the light to turn it on and do it again to turn it off. All our lights are designed for 1 to 12 scale dollhouse miniatures. We offer 3 kinds of lights: floor, table or street lights that stand on their base, wall lights that come with a special wall hanging plate, and ceiling lights that come with a special ceiling hanging plate. To mount the hanging plates on the wall or ceiling, we recommend using the provided plate screw. In places where the screw cannot be used, we recommend using high quality glue. Please secure the plate with glue or screw and do not trust the double-sided tape that is on the hanging plate. Our wand-operated crystal chandeliers are a must-see. Every crystal is real and sparkles beautifully when lit, a true showstopper. The picture lamp can give life to your miniature paintings, and you can finish your outdoor scenes with our 8-inch tall street lights. We're always adding new designs to our store, which you can find exclusively here at MiniLAND.CA.